In the late 16th century, the night sky, a tapestry of gleaming stars, planets, and distant galaxies, remained largely uncharted territory. The naked eye could only perceive so much, and the wonders that lay beyond the apparent cosmic veil were cloaked in mystery. The story of the telescope's invention is not one of a singular genius, but rather one of gradual development, a tale woven through several hands across Europe. The prevailing consensus credits Hans Lippershey, a spectacle maker from the Netherlands, as one of the first to create a working telescope in 1608. According to historical accounts, Lippershey's invention was more a product of necessity than a search for cosmic truths. He had likely been tinkering with lenses to bring distant objects closer into view, a practical tool for navigating and military reconnaissance. The design of Lippershey's rudimentary telescope involved two lenses, a concave eyepiece lens and a convex objective lens, aligned in a tube. This straightforward construction allowed for the magnification of objects by about 3 times, a remarkable feat for its time. Word of Lippershey's device rapidly spread through Europe, where it captured the imagination of another, more towering figure in the shadows of scientific history, Galileo Galilei. Galileo, an Italian polymath, was quick to recognize the astronomical potential of this new invention. By 1609, he had built his own improved version of the telescope based on Lippershey's concept, achieving much higher magnifications of up to 30 times. Galileo's telescopic observations unraveled celestial secrets that profoundly impacted scientific thought. He discovered mountains on the Moon, the 4 largest satellites of Jupiter, and the phases of Venus. These findings bolstered the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Nicholas Copernicus and challenged the prevailing geocentric view, profoundly shifting paradigms in astronomy and beyond. The telescope continued its evolution beyond the 17th century, transcending its military and navigation roots to become an essential instrument for scientists and explorers of the universe. Throughout the centuries, it underwent numerous advancements, from the refracting telescope to the reflecting telescope developed by Isaac Newton, and much later, to the technologically sophisticated instruments aboard space missions and observatories. Each iteration brought the cosmos a bit closer, unveiling galaxies, nebulas, and the cosmic microwave background that birthed our universe. The simple yet transformative telescope, born from a collection of lenses and a visionary's touch, became the eyes with which humanity gazes into the eternity of the universe. Its invention signifies more than just technological achievement. It represents the boundless human spirit striving to pierce the mysteries of existence, forever expanding the horizon of our knowledge.